What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video specifically, I will show you exactly how I make thousands of dollars every single day from deving viral narratives. All I do all day is find viral narratives, launch a meme coin, and then cash out on every single person who bought my coin. So in this video, I will do a full live breakdown of the entire strategy step by step. I am not here to sell you a course. So if you are tired of losing money every single day, and if you are not profitable, well, this video is made specifically for you. Let's get straight into it. And by the way guys, I am the only guy on this app making guides on how to dev meme coins, because I am the only guy that do not sell a course. So keep watching bro, it's going to be completely free. Now hear me out. The reason why most traders are not profitable is because of the entire market. The entire market is rigged. Most of these coins that are being created, they do two different things. They either pump super high and then they dump directly on the same day, or they pump and they just dry out. It's two different scenarios that leads to the same result, and that is the coin is going to zero. And that's because meme coins hold no value. They're all attention coins and they're all shit coins. They just pump and dump, and that's the point I'm trying to make. So if you want to maximize your profits on these meme coins, you have to stop trading and you have to start creating them. Because the truth is that as a dev, you are making money when the coin goes down. You are the one selling into all the fucking demand and making thousands of dollars when the coin goes up and even down, because every single buy and sell, you are making money as a dev. You are taking a percentage of every single transaction, and that goes into your pockets as a dev. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to start deving with my strategy. Okay, so you will be able by the end of this video to launch a coin using a viral narrative, cash out, and then rinse and repeat. Everything will be done in this video with a live example. So if you're tired of losing and you want to start winning, keep watching until the end. And by the way, I am not a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. Ciao! Now, the first ever step is to know where to launch your meme coins, because the place on where you launch your meme coins is the most crucial part to catch the most amount of attention and to get the most amount of profits on your coins. Now, I personally launch all my meme coins on the Radium DEX. By launching my coins on the Radium DEX, it will be immediately migrated, just like this coin right here 8 minutes ago, and it will reach thousands of people on all trading platforms. Because the truth is that most people like to buy migrated coins, and that's why most of these coins, they go ballistic when they migrate. Look at this. This coin went up a shit ton after it got migrated, and for that exact reason, I launched on Radium. You guys have to stop launching on Pump.Fun because it is oversaturated and over competitive. Most of these coins, they go nowhere, and it's hard to get a coin to go viral when launching on Pump.Fun. That's why I launched on Radium. Now, to launch on Radium, do not use Pump.Fun, but use creatememes.io. This launchpad is used by a bunch of people to launch coins to Radium immediately, and most devs do not even know that you can launch directly here without going through Pump.Fun. That's why it's being gatekept. Now, making a meme coin is extremely easy, okay? It's easier to actually just do it than to explain it, but you have two different ways to make a coin. You could either create a whole new custom coin from scratch by inventing a name, symbol, and image real quick. It's really easy, and then your custom coin is created. Just follow along these simple steps. Or you can use my favorite strategy, which is copying trending coins. Some people like to call this vamping. It's up to you. It does not matter what it's called. Basically, every single coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun and has a viral narrative with a proven community. Every single coin here has a bunch of buyers and a bunch of volume on their coins. So we will be using these narratives to our advantage to relaunch them to Radium with a whole new copy that we own, and then attract people to buy our coin. And this is exactly what we will be doing in this video to potentially make some profits. Now it's time to actually dev a coin and see how much we can make. Follow along, okay? Take your notes, take your popcorn, I don't know, let's go. Now connect your Phantom Wallet, right? That is the first step. Like that you can interact with the blockchain, and then now look for a coin to copy. Usually I just go for the first one that I see and I copy it. So I'm gonna go for the Dare coin, right? You can really just choose anything you want. Click on copy the iridium. Your phantom will show up, right? Ignore the block. This is 100% normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox right here, and then click on confirm, and the coin will be shortly created on chain or minted. It's the same thing. Just wait. And boom. And if you go on SoScan, you guys can see that 11 seconds ago it was minted on chain, so it's legit. It's actually on the Solana blockchain. Okay, now click on create the liquidity pool. Now here is where we create our random liquidity pool. Like that, your coin can go live, people will be able to buy your coin, and that is the whole point of creating the liquidity pool. Now here is where you allocate your supply. Just click on 90%. I do that for all my coins. Click here. For the amount of SOL to pair, this is the dev buy for yourself. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1.2 SOL. Anything under or over is too much, so 0.3 to 1.2 SOL is the perfect amount. Basically, you are buying some supply for yourself. Like that, you can have a piece of that pie when the coin gets more buyers. You are not going to lose this, okay? If you want this 0.3 SOL back, you can. It is not a fee or a loss. Click on create pool. Your phantom will show up. Just wait. Ignore the block, right? Once again, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh, and then obviously scroll down, and the coin is live. Right there, coin is live. The people are now able to buy your coin, right? And your PNL and all your metrics are all going to be right there. Now look, if you want to see how much you're up on your coin within like 30 seconds, well, re-click on refresh once again, and that will refresh your pools. And as you guys can see, we're already up $241 because people are buying our coin. That is the whole point. That's exactly why we love to copy coins. Now go on your trading platform. I go on Photon usually. You can go anywhere you want. Just go and find your coin on Radium in the migrate section, and as you guys can see, it's pumping already. This is because people are insta buying, if I had to guess. We're up like 500 bucks, 600 bucks, around there if I had to guess. But yeah guys, I am risking nothing at all, and look at this, we're getting a bunch of volume. Bro, like people are sleeping on deving. It's so insane. Like look at this, bro. It's so insane. Like random people are buying our coin all because we copied a coin. Now I'm gonna let the coin pump. When I come back after the time lapse, I'm going to show you how much we made and how to cash out. Alright y'all, I'm back. As you guys can see, we're at a $15,000 market cap within like, I would say around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, but yeah, let's cash out. I don't want to drag this video any longer. Come back to create memes.io, and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we're up $2.7 on this meme coin. That's insane. Let's cash out. Now look, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up right here, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm I understand, and then click on confirm. And bang, bro, I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin, okay? Without gatekeeping anything. And look at my phantom wallet, bro. Bang, $2.7 39 SOL, all in my phantom wallet. Yes, it's legit. Solana is really down, but deving is still really lucrative. Now look, create memes.io will be linked down below in the description or the pinned comments. Like and subscribe. And also, bro, the key here is to stay consistent. Even though you make less or more than me on each coin, just make sure to stay consistent, launch multiple coins a day, and that portfolio should compound over time. And if you want to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, just like, comment, and subscribe. And obviously join my Telegram group and Discord to enter the giveaway. Peace out.